Welcome back on the weekly edition. Tonight we're going to discuss about the Starry snake on Scratch. Let's look at the demo, please. We're going to catch the stars. Catch the stars. So what happened if it's hitting the wall? We will start from the center of the game. Okay, let's start. Okay, let's look at the block program. And we have the main block program of the snake. Okay, the block snakes, and we're gonna have the green flag, and we have two broadcasts. Okay, broadcast setup and the broadcast start. Okay, in the broadcast setup, we're gonna set up the scroll X and scroll Y to 0, and the X and Y value to 0, and the clone duration. Okay, start from 0.2, and the star counter, which is set to 0. Then we have the start button. Okay. So the start broadcast, we will have a forever loop, and we're going to clone myself. Then we're going to move. Okay. Then we will see whether it hit the black corner walls, and then it's hitting the black corner walls. We're going to broadcast end. Okay. Let's look at the move functions. Okay. The move functions is actually detecting the key press. Okay. Right, left, okay, which is change x by 5 and change x by -5, and up and down, which is change x by 5 and x minus 5. Then after that, after that number, we're going to update the position function. Okay. So in the position function, what happened is actually we're going to use the go-to. Okay. So go-to will be the values that pass in the x and y minus the scroll x and y. Okay, so that we actually make sure it's in the middle of the screen. Okay, then after that, the move will detect whether it's end. So at least we call back the setup and the start again. Then okay, in the foot button wise, when it started the star. Okay, broadcast, then we go to random position and show. Then it will have a forever loop. When it touches the snake, you will hide, and then you will increase the counter by 1. Then you broadcast it. Okay, so he broadcast it, he will delete this clone. Then he will, after delete the clone, he actually will go to a new random position and create clone of itself. Okay, so foot wise, it's actually similar code as the foot, and that's it. And enjoy your coding for this story counter, and hope you enjoy the weekend. Let me play my game, and we're gonna play back over time. Bye bye.